when I say digital transformation, there are three things that has to happen. The issues of infrastructure and connectivity is the first thing. Without that, walang mangyayari. Konti lang, Metro Manila lang ang uunlad. The second is the issue of education, basic education, and skills, preparing it for 4.0 industries, no? And technologies needed for the advanced industries, robotics, data analytics, cloud computing, etc. So that is another part of building the skills for our, especially for our youth. And the third part is the governance part. The governance part where we have to make sure that our data is secure. The issues of data sovereignty, the issues of cybersecurity, and the issues of governance. Yung how does the rest of the government adjust to a digital age? Filing your businesses, etc. How our hospitals are going to provide the services, and how the schools are going to be connected to each other.